Alvaro and Susan Grace, now I pronounce you husband and wife. Now, Alvaro is your bride.
You're a falling star, you're the getaway car, you're the line in the sand when I go too far. You're the swimming pool on an August day, and you're the perfect thing to say. And you play it cold.
Bes, tapos na pagiging ano mo, single mo. Ikakasal ka na.
Don't pretend that you don't know it's true, 'cause you can see it when I look at you. In this crazy life.
Si Zane, una, member namin siya sa Anytime Fitness. Sabi ko, sino yung babae na yun? Tinanong ko sa katrabaho ko. Ayaw niya sabihin, kaya ako na yung nag-insist na lapitan siya.
You're everything. You're a cancer, you're always so well, and you light me up when you ring my bell. You're a mystery.
Anak, mahalin mo lang si Zane.
Thank you kasi lagi ka nandyan para sa akin. At lalong-lalo na kay Talia.
That's what all love can do. And in this crazy life, and through these crazy times, it's you. You make me sing. You're every line, you're every word, you're everything.
Dad, maraming salamat sa pagmamahal at pagtanggap, lalo na sa panahon na ang hirap ko nang mahalin at intindihin. Hindi mo ako iniwan. Nakilala mo ako at my best. Pero mas minahal mo ako sa worst ko.
I remember every word, every chapter, every verse.
Alvaro, do you take your Susan Grace as your lawful wife, according to the rite for Holy Mother Church? I do. Do you give yourself to her as your husband? I do. Do you accept her as your lawful wife? I do.
Every second leaning in, this is where it all begins. Standing in the splendor of the sun, like a flower fully blooms, right when it was destined to. Finally the time has come for us.
Thank you dahil sa kasipagan mo nahawa ko. Hindi ako nagsisisi na ikaw ang pinili ko. Bigay ka ng may kapal, aalagaan kita at hindi sasayangin. Bubuo tayo ng masagana at masayang pamilya. Hindi ko kayo pababayaan hanggat kaya ko, sa inyo ako. Maraming salamat. Mahal na mahal kita.
When the storms rise, when the rain falls, we won't.
Alam mo ba na hindi na ako naniwala na ikakasal ako? But God revealed a beautiful twist in my life. So sudden, yet so perfect. You gave me the only gift I ever wanted. It's Talia. She made us stronger together and part of the family.
Right when it was destined to, finally the time has come for us.
Sagot ka sa mga panalangin ko, kayo ni Talia. Magiging mas malakas ako para sa inyo palagi. Lalaban ako para sa inyo. Mahal na mahal kita palagi.